It's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. Huge big up to Juba, the Magnum Top Performer winner, and the runner-up, the one and only Manifa. Congrats, guys. Malidon's performance in Ochi was cut short after bottles started raining on the stage. It was really strange, but no booze. You could hear the people singing along, but there were bottles at the same time. Who knows what happened? So I don't think Burna Boy is going back home, and that's quite alright. He was spotted at Judgment Yard chilling with Sizzler on Monday. Okay. Bolt's statue in Miramar has been revealed and it don't look bad. As we always say, Jamaica to the world. Big up, Bolt. And finally holding the spot this week, ticket prices for Chris Breezy have been released. $1.5 million for Skyview? Okay, I need to see what that looks like. And of course, the loan companies say they got you covered if you want to go, but don't have the money, okay? I'm just telling you. What would I really like to see when me must can meet Chris Brown if me spend that money there. I'm just saying. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in everything entertainment. Up next, Chubby Dice talks life experiences with Richie. We soon forward.